Hey, I'm Krishna. I work with Schneider in the corporate venturing team.
My name is Rodolphe Heliot. I'm running the business incubation practice for Schneider Electric, essentially creating new businesses and supporting early stage ventures all across the globe. The world is moving at an unprecedented pace. Everything is digital. And I think that we've very clearly understood that we ourselves cannot capture all of the opportunities that are being created. Why is Schneider working with Brinc is because we believe you have access to an ecosystem, you have a good practice in supporting companies, and by working with Brinc, we want to leverage this capability to do better together. We are bringing our expertise, our access to customers, our technologies, and we believe is partnering with founders on one hand, with incubators like Brinc, and bringing our resources to Schneider, we can really achieve something fantastic together. So what Startup can expect is access to customers, access to technologies, access to suppliers sometimes. Obviously, Schneider can become a channel. So all these on the business side will help a lot to accelerate the business. And obviously, an investment is a good component of what we can offer.
Working with Schneider Electric has been one of the sort of best experience so far for us. Working with them at this early stage would not have been possible without the support of Brinc.
Schneider Electric is a leader, a gigantic company. And for small companies to begin an interaction with these large companies like Schneider is a long process. Through Brinc, we've really created a direct channel to Schneider. So the relationship that Brinc has done with Schneider has been of tremendous value for our company. And I think it's really the real reason we're here.
We believe that innovative solutions to the problems we face today cannot be found in a silo within our company. So we are opening up to access innovation from startup ecosystems and be open to the possibilities that exist.